If you love nature but hate boring facts, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the Amazon rainforest. The Amazon produces 20% of the world's oxygen. That's 1 in every 5 breaths you take. Home to over 10 million species, it's a wild world out there. Think jaguars, anacondas, and the mighty harpy eagle. But here's the kicker. There are tribes in the rainforest that have never made contact with the outside world. Imagine living entirely off the grid. But it's not all green and glorious. Deforestation is tearing this wonderland apart. What can we do to save it? Drop your ideas in the comments. Like, subscribe, and share for more incredible nature facts.